Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Instagram login not working, whether you are stuck on loading screen, getting an error, or it just won't let you sign in. So let's get started. First step is check your internet connection. You need to make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it makes a difference. You can also open another app or website to test if your internet is working properly. Second step, restart Instagram app. Close the Instagram app completely and reopen it. On Android, swipe up from recent apps and remove Instagram. On iPhone, you can simply double tap the home button or swipe up and close it. Step 3. Clear cache. This is for Android users. Go to your settings, scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Now use the search icon at the top right and search Instagram. And here, scroll down and go to storage and then tap clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the login issue. Fourth step, update Instagram because outdated versions can cause login problems. Head to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Instagram and tap update if available. If the app still won't let you log in, try logging in through browser. For that, you need to go to www.instagram.com on your browser and try signing in there. If it works, that means the app itself has an issue, not your account. If not, try resetting your password. Tap on forgot password on the login page and follow the steps to reset it because sometimes Instagram locks accounts temporarily for security reasons and resetting the password helps you regain access. And also consider checking for Instagram outage. For that, you need to open your browser and here go to downdetector.com or simply search is Instagram down on Google. If many users are reporting issues, it's likely a temporary outage. You just need to wait until Instagram fixes it. And if you're using a VPN or any third-party Instagram apps, disable them. They can trigger Instagram's security system and block login attempts. And if none of these steps work, open the Instagram Help Center at help.instagram.com or tap Get Help Logging In on the login screen. You can also report the issue by choosing something is not working. And that's it. Try these steps one by one and your Instagram login problem should be fixed. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment which step worked for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.